Okay children, so now the important industries in Rajasthan. You all know about where the Thar desert located, what is the vegetation, what do we call the people of nomads as well as the Banjaras, and how the water level in this Thar desert. Now the important industries in Thar desert of Rajasthan. So what are the important industries? Woolen industries, woolen and textile. So you all know, I think, woolen industries which gets the sweaters and some other wearing dresses like that. So woolen textiles, forestry, the items which will get in the forest wood like that, and forestry items are the forest products. What are the forest products? Example, say tamarind like that, tamarind, soap nuts, different kinds of forest products, and they will prepare that is the toys like that, wooden furniture and toys with the wood which they will get from the forest. You may get doubt, but there is no much kind of different plants or trees in the Thar desert, but rosewood, like only some kind of trees will be available, and with that only, for example, main forest product date palms. So date palm and packing of date palms industries like that. So and preparation of different other sub items from the date palms. So like that, forestry industries. Mining means extraction of the minerals from the mines or from the earth. Mining industries. Manufacturing and tourism. Different manufacturing. See, art and craft. So Rajasthan, the people are very famous for the art and craft. For example, manufacturing of different kinds of home decorative items as well as bangles like that. So different kind of manufacturing things, and tourism. Tourism is a people who visit, are the visitors, are the tourists. So why the Rajasthan is famous for tourism? Because of manufacturing of different items, decorative items. So people oftenly visit this Rajasthan to buy the things for the home decorative items. And also this Rajasthan is just ruled by kings for many years, even after independence, before independence also. So many forts also there. You can see one fort here, Amber Fort, and one important tourist place also there, that is Dargah also there, and here Jaisalmer sand dunes. So heaps of sand, heaps of mountains of sand, we'll see sand dunes here, sand dunes. So different kinds of places in that, that's why tourism is famous for Rajasthan. And what is the capital city of Rajasthan? That is Jaipur. We also call as a pink city. Pink city. Pink city means here the city is in pink color? No, because a very beautiful city with the carvings, different decorative items, and all the forts also so carved in from the ancient times. So it is a very important as well as a visiting tourist place. That's why attractive place also. That's Jaipur city called as the pink city, capital of Rajasthan. So here the different forts and tourist places also there in Rajasthan. And what are the other cities in Rajasthan other than this Jaipur? Ajmer Dargah is very famous. If you have a time, or any time in your lifetime, you can visit once this. So very important and as well as an attractive place. Ajmer, Udaipur, Bikaner, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer. Other than these, so these are the important cities which are located in Rajasthan, important for the tourist centers. And here what are the sanctuaries? Wildlife sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries. So different wildlife means different wild animals also, they are kept in a zoo like that. So sanctuaries we call it. So sanctuaries, wildlife sanctuaries are located in Rajasthan. That is a Ranthambore sanctuary. Ranthambore, Bharatpur is a place, sanctuary of wildlife animals like tigers and even cheetah. That is the next Sariska, one more sanctuary place in Rajasthan. And important festivals in Rajasthan. We all know that every state also having some festivals. No. So what are the two important festivals of mainly these Rajasthani people celebrates? The one is the Gangar festival, another is Tej festival. Gangar is a festival just like just we will celebrate as harvest festival after the just harvesting our crops. Next, the Tej festival. So it is a very famous as well as exciting festival in Rajasthan. That is Rajasthani people. So for this Tej, before the 1 week only, they all the preparations will start to celebrate the Tej festival. They all decorate their houses with art and craft. Even the women, men wear different kind of dressing, so attractive and shining dresses, art and craft dresses they will wear. They will decorate their houses and they will just roam and with the sounds and with the music, that is decorating their elephants. So just this festival is nearly they will celebrate for 1 week. We see Tej celebration in Rajasthan. You can see the pictures. By this you can understand how do they celebrate the Tej festival of these Rajasthanis. And here Pushkar Mela also, one kind of celebration. But the Pushkar Mela is for every 12 years actually. Pushkar Mela. So here they decorate and feed with the good food for the elephants as well as the, what is the ship of the this third desert? Camel. So they will decorate the camels as well as the dressing for camel, and also they will feed with the good nutritious food to these elephant and the camels, and with by just roaming and by with this along with the festival, just like Radha Yatra will say. So they will celebrate the festival. So you all understood I think about, I hope you all followed the lesson very well about the Thar Desert, Rajasthan location, and just imagine and see how this the temperature in Rajasthan, even with less rainfall, scanty of rainfall, with high temperature, people are living, and many people would like to see this Rajasthan place. So if you get any free time in your lifetime, you can visit once Rajasthan and enjoy the tourist places. With this I will complete the lesson.